area. And from there, I think what we're going to see is them make a bit of a turn. Once they get a little south of Newport, they're going to go east and head out towards Riverside County. And there's the turn there. Boy, look at that. That is some cool stuff. Yeah, that's phenomenal. And they're so close to each other. The best of the best right there, and it's something you just don't get to see. That's why we're so excited about it. The only time you'd ever get to see anything like this is at an air show. And, I used to always cover the El Toro Air Show back when that was open. So, every year I was out there covering that. That just